Namaskar. Hemoglobin is a very important protein found in our red blood cells. The function of hemoglobin is to regulate the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide in our body tissue. When the blood platelets and the level of hemoglobins are low, it can cause symptoms such as weakness, poor appetite, headache, fatigue, shortness of breath, dizziness, and fast heartbeats. If the level of hemoglobin falls significantly, it will lead to anemia. Today, I am going to talk about some simple, natural, very effective remedies that would improve your hemoglobin level. First, eat iron and folate rich food. If you have low hemoglobin level, more iron rich food is beneficial. Iron helps in the creation of hemoglobin, which then helps in the formation of more blood cells. Folic acid is a B complex vitamin that is also essential for formation of red blood cells. A folic acid deficiency results in low hemoglobin level. Here are some iron and folate rich food which should be included in your diet. First one, spinach, palak, is an excellent food to raise your hemoglobin. Despite its rich iron content, it also contains oxalate, a chemical that inhibits iron absorption. While eating spinach, you should also squeeze lemon because the citric acid helps in iron breakdown and absorption. Next, broccoli. Broccoli also contains iron and vitamin C. As I mentioned earlier, vitamin C helps in iron absorption from the gut. So make broccoli a regular part of your diet to increase hemoglobin. Another excellent food is wheat germ. Wheat germ is a good source of magnesium, zinc, thiamine, folate, potassium, and phosphorus. You can add a spoonful of wheat germ powder in a bowl of yogurt and have it. Beetroot is one of the excellent ways to increase hemoglobin. It is not only high in iron content but high even in folic acid, along with potassium and fiber. Drink beetroot juice daily to ensure a healthy blood count. Always squeeze lemon and have beetroot juice. Second, have vitamin C rich food. It is important to make a combination of iron and vitamin C, as vitamin C helps in a better absorption of iron. As I already mentioned, that while eating spinach, squeeze lemon because of its citrus property. Also include foods like oranges, papaya, strawberry, tomatoes, amla, guavas, bell pepper in your daily diet. Third, avoid iron blockers. If you have low hemoglobin level, then there are certain foods that functions like an iron blockers. Avoid drinking coffee, tea, cola or alcohol. They are all known to be iron blockers. Fourth, use iron utensils for cooking. Cooking your food in cast iron utensils fortifies your food with iron, making it the best solution for people suffering from low hemoglobin level. Whether you are making a stirred fried dish or a gravy, cook it in this healthier iron utensil. Cook unripe banana in iron vessel. That would be really rich in iron. Fifth, exercise daily. Regular exercise increases the red blood count in blood. Exercise like jogging, walking, swimming, dancing and cycling causes increase of hemoglobin level as well as blood volume. These activities increase hemoglobin levels because tissues and cells require more oxygen when performing activities, causing an adaptation in oxygen binding in blood. Sixth, drink enough water. Water intake will improve anemia by increasing the hemoglobin index. Drinking sufficient amount of water promotes blood flow and keep the blood vessels supple so they can move more freely within the blood vessels. Maintaining optimum level of hemoglobin is necessary. to ensure red blood cells efficiently transport oxygen throughout the body. So, follow these simple but very effective remedies and increase your hemoglobin level naturally. This will ensure your body function properly and would prevent the symptoms of fatigue, dizziness, anemia, and so on. Person with healthy hemoglobin glows. Person is more energetic, more enthusiastic. So live a better life. See that your hemoglobin is very much in right proportion. Take care. Namaskar.